Ooh, what is that? That pumpkin seed? Got him. It is a pumpkin seed. That dude didn't hesitate. I love the way these guys look. Thanks for playing, dude. I think that's another pumpkin seed. That one looks bigger. I don't know if I got his attention in time. That guy looks interested. Oh, there's a whole school of fish. What are those? Are those bass? There's like 5, 6 bass on the screen. Ooh, giant pumpkin seed. Get him to bite. Got him. That's like a 9 or 10 inch pumpkin seed. Look at that giant. These guys are so cool. Little bitty tiny bug. Okay, dude. Thanks for playing. Well, there's still a few bass down there. That pumpkin seed came in with the bass, ironically enough. Oh, there's a couple other giants back there. You're swimming the wrong way. Top left hand of the screen. They're kind of grayed out, but I can tell they're giants. Here comes a school of fish. Wonder if I can get their attention. Look like big bluegills. Well, I think that's another seed. I think they're the most aggressive. Yep. This dude is thick. That is a giant pumpkin seed. Guys are lucky I'm not keeping dinner. Simple. I love it. Catch those guys all day.